Digital mixer has the advantage of being able to store all its settings. So let me figure out which light this is. Dim it a little bit. It's very hard to see the PreSonus display. You don't need to dim the others, but figure out which this one is. There you go. Is that a little easier to see?
Yeah,
you had it.
Can you dim it again? Can you dim that light?
Oh, you had it. Please.
Dim it.
Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Perfect.
Did what I asked.
Now we don't have to
dim that one and that one and that one and that one.
I don't know.
Every light has its own knob.
That one?
Well, don't dim every light. Man, oh man. Simple instruction. Find that one light and dim it. When you did it, when you've done it and completed the task successfully, step away from it like, hey man, I did it. Congratulations. When you get it right, don't feel like you got it wrong. Get it right, just say, I got it wrong. Step away from it.
I was foolishly listening.
What's that for?
Why was this on?
Okay, good. Okay, let's see about this.
Give me something to work with. Oh, cash money.
Oh,
Oh!
snap. I know we're going to do that lavalier mic over there. Like, smashing that.
Oh, the pink belt.
Okay, Nick, you got the full camera setup right there.
A fucking gyroscopic selfie stick.
Give me one of them orange milky. Orange milky, please.
And the
Orange
fade out.
multi.
Okay, the cameraman got a special
Which
power
one?
going.
AC multi orange. That's it. Exactly.
So they're setting up.
Let's have it.
Hey, Corey, are you going to get on the mic? Yeah, get on the
God's
mic.
sake, don't get on the mic right now.
You don't need any more talkers.
Please, I don't need it. No.
Hey, Josh, you got to get on the mic, man. You was livening up the place.
Let's get our DMX.
If you insist.
No! Don't do it!
No! Oh!
My leg.
Oh, hey, hit me, go right on the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
The world, the meters. I swear you're making it lag every time you do that.
Hey, hit the claps again.
It's not like that.
We'll be back to talk
That's
with
on
the band.
campaign and stuff.
You make it.
Make it lag.
Welcome
Make it
back
lag.
to the Only Recording Studios. SRLP Video Conference.
Joe is way